Hi guys, I'm Susan, and in this video we're going to be doing problem number 54 from test number 2 in your red book. So go ahead and pause the video and look at that problem for a moment now. So the first thing you'll notice about this problem is it's giving us this function. So the first thing we need to figure out is what this means. So this is 3 different pieces of a function that add up to a whole function. And you'll notice it's telling us it's different depending on what the x value is. So this is x squared minus 2 for less than and equal to 1. So that tells us that part's a parabola. X minus 7 for 1 to 5. And that means that's going to be a positive slope line. This is positive to you, right, camera? And then 4 minus x for x is greater than 5. So that's going to be a negative slope line. So your 5 options here show you each part of that function, and you're looking for the one that correctly shows you that part of the function. So I find that the easiest way to do this is to go part by part. So first we're going to see which ones of the 5 we can eliminate because they don't fit x squared minus 2. And by the way, if you don't know what any of these look like, you can use your calculator to graph them. That way you can make sure you're feeling good about what they look like. So x squared minus 2 is going to be a positive parabola. And there's 2 options here that don't fit that. So if you look at your 5 options, f and g both show that as a negative parabola. It's pointing downward, and that doesn't work. So you can go ahead and eliminate f and g right there. The other one you can eliminate, this is a little more subtle, but you'll notice this as you're looking at your remaining options. H has that parabola going all the way to x equals 2. And we know from here that it only is that parabola until x equals 1. So you can go ahead and eliminate h also at that point. So now we just have j and k that we're choosing between here. And if you're looking at those 2, we want to look at x minus 7 is from 1 to 5. And option J has that part starting at 0, at x equals 0. So that doesn't work. And that means the only remaining option is K. And the thing about this is there's a lot of complicated little things that they want you to get distracted by, like whether it's less than or equal to versus just less than, and what does an open circle even mean versus a closed circle. But there's some easier mistakes to spot, so you don't need to get bogged down in all that stuff. If you can spot the mistakes about upside down and starting and stopping at the wrong spot, then you can get to K without any of that hard stuff. So that's how you tackle number 54.